The last thing we need to do, like we do with every site, is just have a quick run through, check everything's functioning as it should, and also check it's all looking right. So you'll notice I've changed the titles up here from the About section to Who is Gary Vaynerchuk, the videos to Ask Gary V, and then the contacts button I put Hire Me to Speak because obviously he's a public speaker, it makes sense. So what we'd do is go through, check that all the buttons work, and obviously they do, and then the buttons down here we added right at the beginning. Follow Me goes down to this social link, and Hire Me to Speak goes right down to our contact page. We'll have a quick run through. I actually toned down the colours in here and also in here just so it didn't jump out so much and distract you from the page. I think most of the other things I've kept the same. Obviously I'll test out all these links work. The blog posts, I've added another row of blog posts in there just to fill out the page a bit more so we've got a little bit more content. And then don't forget about testing the links for social medias, testing all these text links down here and the privacy policy and terms and conditions, things like that. Now one thing to note is when I open this policy here, because this is going to be the same with any additional pages you put on the site, at the top where the title is we've got this picture. Now this is just a header. If we go back into customize, this is just a header under header image. So if I clicked hide image here and save and publish that, then when we refresh there'll no longer be an image there. We've still got this huge block at the top which we can take off by using different plugins, the full width template that we used on the other sites. We obviously also might want to get rid of the sidebar. So how we'll do that is just how we'd normally go about editing pages. If we go out of there into the pages, into our privacy, and the template here we can just change to full width page and update. And then if we were to type something in here, obviously it'd be a proper policy in there. So there we've got our full page. We've got rid of the image behind the header. We've still got a title there, but then we've got all this space to put in the content or our privacy policy or whatever it may be. Obviously I'll do the same for all of these pages. Our blog posts are looking pretty good, so if we load one of these, you'll see our blog posts are working. So that's it for this site. We've gone through, made sure everything's working, there's no spelling mistakes or silly little things like that, and I'm happy with everything on there. If your site is running a little bit slow, I will leave the article below of how you can speed that up using Cloudflare. And if you do have any questions either about this site or one of the other sites we made or a WordPress site in general, either ask us in the Facebook group or send me an email at support@sitelaunchblueprint.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.